Hello and welcome to Ayesha Apron Pops. My name is Ayesha and today we are going to make an Indian recipe which is called Bhindi do Pyaza, and please like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you like it. Hopefully you have watched my other videos as well. I hope you like them. Please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't watched my other videos, the link is given in the description box down below. The recipe is also shared in the description box down below. If you don't understand what I'm making, you can watch it from there. Heat a pan and put some oil in it. You can take 3 tablespoons of oil, or else add 1 tablespoon cumin seeds to the oil and let them cook until they are brown. When you see they are turning brown, you should add add 1 tablespoon coriander powder. You should add crushed coriander seeds, but as I don't have crushed coriander seeds, I am using powdered coriander powder. Add 3 medium-sized onions sliced. Stir fry them. Stir the onions until they are golden brown. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Stir. Add 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes. Salt to taste. You should cover and cook till the tomatoes are pulpy. Add 4 tablespoons of yogurt and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Add 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder and add 1.5 tablespoons of red chilli powder. You can also add 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. chaat masala, and also add green cardamom powder. Green cardamom powder should be 1/4 teaspoon, and cook for 2. Add 1 inch shredded ginger, slice of shredded ginger. Add 1 cup of fried onions. Mix well and cook for 2 minutes. Take it off the heat and set aside. Heat sufficient oil in another non-stick pan. Deep fry 600 grams of ladyfingers until they are crisp. Take your ladyfingers out on a tray with an absorbent paper so that the excessive oil is absorbed from the ladyfingers so that they are crisp while you add them. Now place your prepared mixture back on heat and add your fried ladyfingers which are crisp in the mixture and cook for 2 minutes. Transfer it to the serving bowl and garnish it with coriander and serve hot. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel, Ayesha Apron.